This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Ubiquiti. First, download the Ubiquiti app from your device's app store. Make sure your smartphone or tablet supports eSIM technology before proceeding. Once downloaded, open the app and create your new Ubiquiti account. This initial step is quick and easy, getting you ready for seamless global connectivity. You'll just need a few basic details to get started. Now that you have an account, it's time to activate your eSIM. Open the Ubiquiti app and log in with your new credentials. Navigate to the main menu and select the option to Install My eSIM. The app will then guide you through a few simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. This digital setup replaces physical SIM cards, making it incredibly convenient for travelers. With your eSIM installed, you can now choose a data plan. Ubiquiti offers various plans tailored to different regions and travel durations. Browse the catalog within the app to find one that best suits your needs, whether it's for a short trip or extended travel. Once you've made your selection, you can securely complete your purchase directly through the app, often with several payment options available. Finally, to connect, go to your device's cellular settings and enable your Ubiquiti eSIM. Remember to turn on data roaming for this specific eSIM to ensure seamless connectivity in your destination. Your data plan will activate upon arrival. You're now ready to enjoy reliable internet access worldwide. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.